welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna kit up for drills and chills, and I'm super excited for the drills and chills. And yeah, I did choose this one. I have never been working with this artist, so I thought maybe I want to try her out. And yeah, there are 65 colors. Oh no, I want a little bit smaller because last time I was working on a 68, so it's only 4 down, but I hope it goes well. Yeah, I love the color in this painting. I love how it came out, and I love that it's a pumpkin in it. And I'm probably gonna put in some glow in the dark for the white spots down here. So yeah, I did this is square. Oof. I did just one big square. Now this was the smallest one, so maybe that's why I'll choose this one. Okay, so I'm only gonna get the drills in here. I don't need books. I only need the drills. Here is. Oh, plenty of 310 maybe. Yeah. Okay. I'm sorry for the clinking sound. I have to do it because I have to open it and do it. So it's been a while since I have done a kitting up, and I have done it in a different way now. And why doesn't I have any scissors? Okay, I need to get the scissors, but those I don't use them right away. I'm gonna use this and this. Don't know why I love this container system, and I find it a little bit easier to do than the other one. So that's why I love to use this. And the extra one is here, and I open them before I use them, so it's more easier when I'm kitting up. Sorry, my son is calling me. I have to pause for a little bit. Okay, and I'm back. My son just called me. I have to say that I'm making a video. Okay, so we have like 1, 2, 3, 4 AB in this kit. Very nice. I did get some scissors when I was talking with him, so I don't need to find that one. But the thing I'm doing, I'm gonna do the normal thing first for you, how I am kitting it up, and then when I'm start with the drills, oops, I'm shaking you guys. When I'm starting with the drills, I'm gonna do a few, and then I am gonna make the video go faster. Fast forward, I believe, yeah. And then I'm gonna take you to the end and talk why I love to do it like I like to do it right now. So let's get started, because kitting up takes time and I just hate it. Kitting up is not my best favorite thing in the whole world. Let's see, can I take this off? This one's kind of bothering me all the time. No, this one doesn't want to get off. Okay. No. Okay, so the thing I'm doing now, before I was stocking the colors in the different for the same color, but now I'm used to doing it in another way, so I'm gonna do it the new way. I love stocking this onto the boxes first, and I love that Diamond Art Club had them pre-cut for us. Oh, that's one favorite thing, because I think this is going faster than the other one I did have. So I love to do it like this, so I don't need to, before I stuck the mark this one on, the same time I put the drill in it. So yeah, we have to change up to find something we like better than other times. So this is gonna be my last video before I'm leaving for 1 week to Bulgaria. I am going on a summer vacation. So when I come home, that's why I'm doing this now, because when I get home, Drills and Chills is starting the next day. So I'm kind of super excited for Drills and Chills. I always love to join in on the Drills and Chills because I have so many painting, and when I'm doing something completely, it's more fun. So yeah, that's why I'm super excited to come home, as well as I'm super excited to leave for a vacation. But right now, I'm not kidding, it's super hot here in Norway. I'm kind of sweating all the time because of the weather here. We don't have any nice summer weather this year, but now before school starts and everything, it's super hot. So that's nice, but yeah, I'm going on a vacation because it was not hot in the summertime here, and now the summer has come here. But yeah, it's okay. I want to travel to get relaxed and enjoy another country. I haven't been to Bulgaria like 5 or 6 times before. We couldn't travel last year or the year before, so we have been home since COVID. Now it's not a COVID area, so that's very nice. We can leave again. So I've probably been 3 years since I've been on vacation. We did go to Sweden with my son to a park, but that was not a vacation. It was stressful, and I was super tired when I did get home because of the road trip. We have to drive in many hours. So I thought we was only driving most part of the day. The only time we was not driving was when we was sleeping. So oh, it's so far down. So it's gonna be nice to not drive this time. We're gonna take the flight down and just relax. That we can call vacation and get breakfast. And the hotel we have ordered is all inclusive. We don't need to think about anything. We can just relax. So that's very nice. Oh gee, I'm so hot right now. It's kind of like, I don't know degree at your place, but for me it's like 30 degrees here in Norway right now, and that's hot in Norway. We most part have like 10 or something like that, 15, but not 30. It's super hot. Just like that, you can see all the stickers are on and the containers up, so that's very nice. And I'm going to do the last part, because since there was much more than I did have, so I can get the extra on the side. I don't see the white one. Probably it's not gonna be a white one in this. Maybe it's green then. I hope it was white one so I can change it out, but we have to see. What do we get so far? My mom is also joining in on this event. She did one painting for me because she don't like Halloween quite much, so she's not buying pictures of Halloween. So I said to her, you can borrow one for me, so you don't need to buy one. So that's okay. So she's also gonna join in with me on this event. Are you gonna join the event? And which painting are you gonna work on? This one was One Halloween by Molly Harris. So I have 2 extra that I did know because the other one, yeah. Okay, so then I'm done with this. So I'm gonna take the fun part right here. Don't need that one right now. So, okay, so the thing I need to do first before I start all of this is to pre-cut every single color. I wish Diamond Art Club did stack them on the right number, because here we have to cut them and lay them correctly, so I'm not all for that one. I love how Dreamer Design did it, so that's very nice. It was easier to kitting up. It did get much more faster, and this one is not going fast enough. Okay, so that's one maybe. Why I'm cutting it up, it's gonna make me a better place to just pick one and open and put it in. So that's why. And since Diamond Art Club doesn't have them correctly, I have to find each one that fits the number. So I'm gonna sort that out after I have cut them. That's why I said that I'm only gonna do a few of those drills when I am done, because it's gonna take a while. No, that's not. Oh yeah. It takes so long to keep up every time. Oh, orange, pink and orange, maybe. I wish this could just snip and you can get a get them all in the box. It would make my life much more easier. White AB, maybe they are the white AB, then I cannot change them out. Okay, gonna look at that. I have the white AB instead of the glow in the dark. Oh yeah, I have glow in the dark in AB, so maybe I can change them out, because this is like, yeah. I think I chose them in square. I'm gonna look at that. Oh, I love how the vibrant color in those drills from my Stamina Club is compared to other companies. This one is 2, so one is going in here. I'm not missing the square part because I have done so much square this last couple of paintings, but yeah, I'm gonna find me a round one to do soon before I get tired of the square. Probably gonna do a cute little kit for the round part. Okay, so everyone except this one is gonna be so. Okay, put those in here. So the fun part. So this is the idea. So I did take them out because I did see which one was which. So they are okay, and I know this is 310. So that's okay. And then I'm gonna do like this. 7. No, 300. 300. Oh, oops, oops, oops. 9. This is why I wish they had the numbers together. I don't need to find all the numbers. 100 before getting up, but yeah, so. But this makes it more easier for me when I'm kitting off. Super concentrated by the number right now. Yeah, probably gonna do this. Almost done with this part. So 500 is there. 8, 9, 4, 3, 6, 7, no, 7. 2,600. 9,900. 3,800. Where did I get the 800? Yeah. 400. And 4. Okay, so you see that I'm piling them up. Since this is the last one, I'm gonna put them right here. And then we're gonna have the 900 right here. And this is the 800, 700, and 400. So that's those I'm gonna do right now. This one I used to throw the things in. So yeah. Back here. 7,400. Okay. So now I'm gonna just do some of them, and the other one I'm gonna fast forward for you guys, so you don't need to see every single drill I open. So let's see. So since I already opened them, I can take the AB, and then I'm gonna fast forward this video. So the nice thing is I used those the drill came with the drill, and I use this one to put everything in it. Take this out, and let's see, just like this, and I put this in, and it's super easy. I don't need to think about anything. Close it up, get a new one, open the nice one. So this is the fastest way I know to do it, and the easy way for me to do it. So I like it like this. Put it in, take it up. So then it's ready. So that's the nice part. So now for the last one, and then I'm gonna turn my music up for you guys, and I'm not gonna talk, I'm only gonna chill and do this kitting up. So that was the last one, the fourth one. So I hope to see you in the end. With the box or something, but I'm always taking the sticker on before, and I'm laying the right number out, so it makes it a little bit easier to start. I just have to put all of this in here. So now I am ready for the drills and chills event. Yeah, it's not messy at all. I didn't spill anything. Not maybe one on myself, but okay, I'm gonna do it like this. But I didn't throw any pearls on the table. It was not messy at all. It's easy. Yeah, it makes it so easy to do. So now you see, I'm ready to go. in like 20-50 minutes of 65 colors. If it was smaller, maybe I could do it faster, but yeah. So now the kit is ready, and then I just have to wait for the drills and chills competition to start on the 1st of October. Is it that? Is it October? Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I love how I can make it ready in a short time and enjoy it, and yeah. So I hope you enjoy watching my movie. I am all done and all set for the drills and chills, and I'm going on a vacation, so I'm gonna be leaving for like the 22 August 22, and I am not gonna come home before the 13th of August. So I'm gonna be away for 8 whole days. I maybe gonna show a little video of our hotel, but I'm not gonna do any crafting on my vacation. I am just gonna relax. So this video I am gonna upload in the end of this week. We just started, it's Monday, but this week I have to go to the hospital with my son and do plenty of stuff before I'm leaving. So that's why I have to kit it up now and do it ready for you guys. But when you watch it probably on Saturday or on Sunday. Before I leave. So yeah. When I come home, I'm probably gonna have some unboxing, and I'm also practically show paintings that I So yeah.